What's up guys, today I'm going to unbox Gorn Gear Everyday Carry Subscription Box Mystery Box. So it's everyday carry gear that is not about quantity but about quality. Usually we get way over $200, so it's kind of like a bulk buy. They can do that because they know how many people subscribe to it, so they can get a better deal and so send us over better stuff. That we pay $200, but it would be way worse. And these things are getting better and better. So let's open it up, see what it's all about. Ooh, whoa, there's two knives I think going to be. So we'll look at the note. It tells us all the stuff that is valued at. Okay, QSP, really good brand. There's a I guess certification about the knife. I heard about that brand. So there's a button lock. Ooh, it's soft. There you go. Kinda have to find a like a sweet spot to open it and close. Best thing to do it is to hold it with two hands, I think. But thumb studs work really well. I really love that kind of bowed out a little bit. The blade, very nice. What's the name of it? Right here. Replay. So there's a steel of the blade, 14C28N, blade black, olive green, G10 handle. G10 handle is very good. So high quality knives. If I would guess, let's see, I think it's going to be like $70 knife. Let's guess the price on that one. Okay, then there's some smaller in here. What is this? Let's open it. What is this? Okay, let's read it. Hello, citronella scented wood balls are safe, flameless and waxless alternative to mosquito while camping. Oh wow, they really do scent it with something, so it keeps mosquitoes away. Interesting, never heard of it. Cool. What else? Ooh, we got it here, V-knife. Oh, that is awesome. Let's see what's inside here. This is the Ricker. Sorry about my sickness. It will not go away. It's been like 9 days. Some kind of flu over here. Okay. See what's about. Comes with the screws and the clip. Okay, let's see what's about. Whoa, is it titanium? If it's a titanium handle with a really nice blade, looks like MT90, very lightweight. It's a flicker right here. Look at that. Liner lock, and usually I'm holding my finger too tight right here. Guys, stay clear. With this knife, no problem. Very big knife too for my big hands. That's what the balance of the knife. On the dies, looks like titanium screws. Wow, this is beautiful. Liner lock, yeah. No, wait, there's a frame lock. There you go. Okay, let's look at the black titanium handle with diamond pattern on presentation handle, black stonewash, a CPM 20 CV blade. Very good blade right here, very good knife. Now, subscription cost only $200. Let's see the value of the things right here. That one right here by itself, $215. Boom, we're already getting $16 off. Wow, look at my guess, $75. I'm getting two good about knives. This is a average not available for purchase until August 17. So that's even better. We get to get certain things that is not even out for another 2 weeks on the subscription box. How cool is that? So we get to get one first before it goes onto sale. And a wooden mosquito balls is $12. So this is right here, $80, $200, $300 worth of stuff. If you include that, way over $200. Plus you got to pay tax on it most of the time. Some websites has no taxes when you purchase online. Depends of the state. But yeah, that is an amazing knife. What a keeper for sure. Very interesting blade. Very comfortable. Very lightweight. Yeah. Real quick. It's one thing they say how much it's worth. The other thing is to check it. So most of the time, V-knives are on Amazon. Wow, $250. They say $216. On Amazon, they sell them for $250. So that's even a better deal than they say. Look at that, they advertising this knife right here next to the V. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, so what I will do is go to the Google and try to find like knife dealers, see how much they would sell the knife, like knife center $216. So the cheapest we'll get for $216. It says $255. The MSRP. Okay, let's see if we can pull up another good knife dealer. I don't even see right now anymore. Just such a new knife. Nobody else have them. So the other one, it might be on Amazon as well. Let's scan this one. Oh, it will not scan, so I'll have to type it in Google most likely. So what I will do is just type in QSP, and then the model number or just this name. Oh, wait a minute. It's not going for sale for a while. I guess I would have to go to their website and see. Yeah, it's not available yet. It says sold out because it's coming in August. But they say it's $75. So amazing. I'm so surprised that on Amazon this is $250 knife. This is probably so far the best subscription box that I have been getting for about a year now. Like probably like definitely like 10 months now, 10 different boxes, and by far this is the most valuable one, or like the best knife I've got. I'm really happy about that. I got 2 knives and some mosquito repellent stuff which I need around here in the mountains. I'm gonna use those even around my house. So a lot of fun. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this subscription box. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.